Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Logan here with Y.B.Normal. You see who I'm with. I'm with my Charles Carroll people. I'm with my family, right? We just did a student assembly, giving the kids tangible tools to help change the climate and the culture of the school campus on mental health, social and emotional learning, but then most importantly, showing them and telling them that they matter and giving them resources and tools that would help them benefit them for generations to come. So check this video out coming up next, and as always, Y.B.Normal, where you can be extraordinary. Peace. I need you to take care of you.
Yo necesito que ustedes se cuiden.
So your children can get the best version of you.
Para que sus niños tengan la mejor versión de ustedes.
So that way they can become the best version of them.
Para que ellos sean la mejor versión de ellos.
But they can't do that if you don't take care of you.
Pero ellos no pueden hacer eso si ustedes no son la mejor versión de ustedes.
And so what does that look like?
¿Y cómo se ve eso?
Self-care. I had to accept that what my brother did, it had nothing to do with me. What's up, boss?
How'd he die?
He committed suicide. Hold on, because I'm going somewhere. And I'm coming back to you because I know you had a question. But he committed suicide the day of his birthday. I remember getting a phone call, I remember getting a text message, I remember exactly where I was at, what I had on, everything. But I had to learn the struggles that my brother had wasn't my fault. I had to accept it. Just like I had to accept for the people that don't really like me or care about me, how you feel about me ain't none of my business. I be seeing that a lot. These past 2 days I've been here, I've been seeing that a lot. Such and such said this about me. Why do you care? They be making fun of me and saying this in a group. Why do you care? They were saying this on Snapchat and they was talking about this in our group. Why do you care? Does it affect your money? No. Does it affect who you are? No. Then why are you giving them the power for? I'm confused. I had a scholar yesterday, she was breaking down crying because somebody said something about her hair. And I was like, listen, baby, you got beautiful long hair. I said, you amazing, you phenomenal. You're extremely smart. You're loving, caring. You got people that love you and care about you. And after I really poured into her, oh, she thought she was the baddest thing walking in. She walked out the room talking about some, I was like, where do you think you going? Right? Me up when I come to schools with people that look like us and they be thinking that it's a joke. But when I go to schools with people that don't look like us, you can hear a pin drop. And they hang on to every word that I say. And it messed me up because listen, we drive the culture. If y'all really locked in like I know that you can, man, listen, y'all can change the climate and the culture, bro, I promise you. Charles Carroll could be a level 5 school. Level 5 means that's the top when it comes to middle school. That's the best that you can do.